Doing a quick little test, little warm up. This is after I pulled the plug off the oil sensor because it was damaged. It does look damaged. The last guy must have used pliers to pull it off, so the wires look a little messed up. So it is a little dirty. Also, it has oil on it, but I put it back on because I didn't have the right socket to take off the whole sensor and replace it. So I'm running the car and see if it pops up, if it starts flickering again, because hopefully it's just a bad connection and it's just been getting loose and been jingling around down there, being the lowered car. Especially when I never had any issues with this engine. If this is not an issue, I'm going to try to drive the car more, and I need to raise the car about half an inch on the front end. In the tranny. Well, the light has not came on yet. At idle, at least. It says the car is cold, but it should be warm by now. That's kind of weird. I did see a coolant leak down there, if you guys seen in the video, so that's something I need to address. Should be an easy fix. I think we're warming up now. Just found out some new shit. Damn, I feel like we might be good to go. Start driving this to work. Bitch is loud. Oh, snap. Went to O'Reilly's and picked up a little oil mat. Focus on here. Pretty sick. It's gonna help out. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be using this guy just in case. And then I got a bunch of stuff to clean up. Start the process for cleaning. So let's get to it. I already can tell this is going to be relaxing as hell. I'm going to take my time with all this and get into all these cracks. Did a little test hit right here with just this guy. Let's try right here. I'm going to get some of that brake cleaner also and soak this down and do scrubbing at the same time. And that's going to help out a lot. But look at this, just with this right here. Satisfying. I might hit this with a time lapse and show you guys. Back with one of those must buys. Had to snag one of these up to get rid of that red one that doesn't match anymore. That red one was from the old style I did with the livery. So I'm gonna get rid of that and stick in a nice black one with blue stitching, and it should look a lot cleaner in here. That's better. Anybody want a shift boot? All right, you guys, we got the Accord out today. I was able to try some things out. Going down. Trees are blooming and it's golden hour. Had to take the car out. Oil light's not flickering. It's a nice sunny day. Raised the car up a ½ inch. Doesn't rub. It's perfect driving. This is just what I like. This is what I needed. It's amazing. It's amazing. And I'm just waiting for the car to settle. So it's gonna settle perfectly, I think. Going up ½ inch, drop back down. Just got back from the park. Kids are all kid out. They're drained, ready to cruise. Well, Dad does his thing. These flowers. We're getting it today. Man, I can't wait till this thing is H22 powered and hopefully boosted in the future. Alright, just got some crazy ass photos, crazy ass video. That stuff's gonna make me happy to watch. So I think I'm good for a bit on these type of deals. Now it's time to drive. These roads are fucking nice. So we're gonna cruise up this hill right here. And then, yeah, sneak in a little bit of H22 content and get back to this.